In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your campaign budget in HubSpot so you can track spending, measure ROI, and keep your marketing efforts aligned with your goals. If you're running multiple campaigns and want clearer visibility into how your budget is being allocated and how it's performing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the ROI tracking tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Campaigns tool. Log into your HubSpot account and look at the top navigation bar. Click on Marketing, and from the drop-down menu, select Campaigns. This will take you to your Campaigns dashboard, where you can see all existing campaigns. From here, you have two options. You can either select an existing campaign that you're already running, or you can click Create Campaign if you're setting up a new one. If you're managing budget for an active campaign, simply click on its name to open it. Once inside the campaign, you'll enter the campaign editor. At the top, you'll notice several tabs including Overview, Assets, Performance, and Budget and Spend. The Overview tab gives you a summary of campaign details. The Assets tab shows associated marketing assets like emails, landing pages, and ads. The Performance tab displays engagement metrics and results. And most importantly for this tutorial, the Budget and Spend tab is where you'll monitor financial performance. But before tracking spend, we need to make sure your campaign budget is properly set. To do that, go to the top right corner of the campaign screen and click on Actions. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Campaign Details. This opens the campaign settings panel where you can modify key information. Scroll down until you find the Budget section. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter your total campaign budget. Input the amount you've allocated for this campaign. Make sure the number reflects your planned overall spend, including ads, content creation, software, and any external costs tied to this campaign. Once you've entered the correct budget, click Save to apply the changes. Now that your campaign budget is set, it's time to monitor ROI and spending. Click on the Budget and Spend tab inside the campaign. This area allows you to track how much you've spent versus your total budget. If you're running paid ads connected to HubSpot, the system can automatically pull in ad spend data. You can also manually add expenses to ensure all costs are accounted for. Keeping this updated gives you a clear view of how efficiently your campaign is performing. As performance data comes in, compare your revenue or influence deals against the budget you set. This helps you calculate return on investment and determine whether the campaign is profitable. If you notice you're nearing your budget limit without strong returns, you can adjust your strategy, reallocate funds, or pause certain assets. On the other hand, if ROI is strong, you may decide to increase investment. And that's how you manage your campaign budget in HubSpot, from setting the initial budget to tracking spend and measuring ROI. Taking a few minutes to configure this properly can give you powerful financial insights and help you make smarter marketing decisions. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.